Do you want to reclaim not just your strength, but your intimacy and confidence after 70? What if you could rebuild your sexual stamina and power, not with a pill, but from the very chair you're sitting in? It sounds almost too simple, but the science is clear. Activating the largest muscles in your body is like flipping the master switch for your body's power grid, sending a powerful signal that boosts your entire system. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 3 simple moves you can do from a chair. These are targeted movements designed to help men and women over 70 feel a real, undeniable boost in energy, stability, and sexual strength. This is about more than just getting stronger. It's about getting your intimate life back. Let's get to it. And pay close attention to our second movement. It starts a hormonal chain reaction, like the first domino falling in a line, that is essential for rebuilding vitality, making it the cornerstone of this entire routine. Move 1, the foundation, sit to stand. Our first move is the king of functional exercises, the sit to stand. This movement is the simple act of standing up and sitting down with purpose, and it directly builds the muscles most crucial for sexual health and stamina. A sedentary lifestyle is a known killer of testosterone. Think of prolonged sitting as telling your body's biggest engines to go to sleep. Your metabolism slows down, and the hormonal signals for vitality get turned way down, like the volume on a radio. This single move is a powerful wake-up call, reactivating your body's largest muscle groups, your glutes, quads, and hamstrings. Engaging these muscles is like firing up the giant furnaces of a factory. When they roar to life, the entire factory, your body hums with activity and demands more resources, kickstarting your metabolism and hormone production. Here's how it helps. The sit to stand strengthens the engine of your lower body. Strong glute and hip muscles are directly linked to sexual stamina and power. This powerful, full body activation is like placing a rush order with your body's hormone factory, telling it to ramp up production of anabolic hormones like testosterone. Each repetition is like sending an urgent telegram to your brain that reads, "High energy demand. Build strength now." Your body responds by dispatching the construction crew your hormones to build more muscle. Think of each repetition as hitting a hormonal reset button. Furthermore, the movement promotes blood flow to the pelvic region, like opening up a clogged highway so energy and nutrients can get where they need to go. This is vital for both male and female sexual function. For men, this can improve erectile function, and for women, it can enhance arousal and sensation. Here's how to do it perfectly. Find a sturdy, non-wheeled chair. Sit on the front half with your feet flat on the floor and about hip width apart. Your posture is key. Sit tall with your chest up and shoulders pulled back and down. Lean forward slightly at the hips, keeping your back completely straight. Engage your core as if you're about to brace for a slight push. Exhale as you drive forcefully through your heels and midfoot to stand all the way up. Imagine you are pushing the floor away from you. At the very top, squeeze your glutes firmly to fully extend your hips. The trip back down is just as important. Inhale as you begin the descent, by pushing your hips back first, as if aiming for the chair behind you. Lower yourself with deliberate control. This control is like a crane operator carefully lowering a priceless sculpture. It requires more focus and builds far more structural integrity and stability than just letting it drop. A common mistake is letting your knees cave inward or using momentum by rocking back and forth. Consciously push your knees outward so they stay aligned with your feet. If you need to at first, place your hands on your thighs for a little boost, but focus on relying on them less and less over time. This move builds a powerful foundation for both daily life and intimacy. Aim for 8 to 10 perfect, deliberate reps. As you get stronger, work up to 3 sets. Move 2, the knee savior, seated leg extension. Now, we move to an exercise I call the knee savior. Nagging knee pain can make anyone hesitant to be active, which can crush confidence in intimate moments. This move builds strength in the very muscles that protect your knees, giving you stability, reducing pain, and restoring your freedom of movement. When you aren't worried about a sudden jolt of pain, you can move freely and spontaneously, which is the essence of a confident and fulfilling intimate life. This exercise is specifically designed to dismantle the fear of movement by creating a strong, reliable support system for your knee joint from the inside out. It acts as a powerful circuit breaker, interrupting the negative feedback loop where pain causes fear, fear causes inactivity, and inactivity leads to more weakness and pain. Here's the sexual health connection. The seated leg extension isolates your quadriceps, the big muscles on the front of your thighs. Think of your leg muscles as an orchestra. The sit to stand is a powerful symphony using every instrument. This exercise, however, is a solo for the lead violin. By strengthening this one crucial muscle group in isolation, you elevate the quality of the entire performance. Building stronger quads enhances your endurance for any physical activity, including sex. These muscles act as powerful shock absorbers for your knee joint, stabilizing the kneecap. When your knees are stable and pain-free, you break the fear avoidance cycle. That cycle is like a rusty door hinge. The less you use it, the rustier and harder it gets to move. This exercise is the oil that loosens that hinge, breaking the cycle of pain leading to inactivity, which in turn leads to more weakness. This newfound stability allows you to relax and be present with your partner, rather than worrying about what might hurt. Here's how it's done. Sit tall in your chair, holding the sides for stability. Your back should be straight and your core engaged. Slowly extend one leg straight out in front of you until it is fully extended but not locked. At the top of the movement, focus on squeezing that big quad muscle on your thigh and hold that tight contraction for 2 or 3 seconds. This is the most important part. You are forging a powerful neurological handshake between your brain and your thigh. With each squeeze, that handshake gets firmer, the signal gets clearer, and the muscle becomes more responsive and intelligent. It's not just lifting your leg, you're building a living, muscular brace for your knee joint with your own mind. Then, with the same control, slowly lower the leg back down. Resist the urge to let gravity just drop your foot. Once your foot gently touches the floor, switch to the other leg. This isn't about speed. It's about the focused, intense contraction of the muscle. If you feel any strain, don't extend the leg fully. Work within a range that is comfortable for you. Strong quads mean stable knees, and stable knees mean confident, pain-free movement. Aim for 8 to 10 slow, controlled reps on each leg, building up to 3 sets. Move 3. The circulation booster, seated calf raises. Our final move, the circulation booster, might seem small, but its effect on your entire system is huge. Your calf muscles are often called your second heart because they play a critical role in pumping blood from your lower body back up to your chest. When you sit for long periods, blood can pool in your lower legs, like a river damming up, leading to sluggishness and fatigue. Your main heart is the powerful engine that pumps blood out, but that blood's return trip is a long, uphill battle against gravity. Your calves are the essential booster pumps along that pipeline, ensuring fluid makes it all the way back to headquarters. This simple exercise gets the river flowing freely again, re-energizing your body from the ground up. This has a direct and powerful impact on sexual health. Optimal sexual function is heavily dependent on robust circulation. Think of it as your body's delivery service. Stagnant, deoxygenated blood is like having stale air trapped in a room. This exercise is like opening the windows and turning on a fan. It flushes out the old and pulls in a fresh supply of oxygen and hormones, the vital packages that fuel erectile function in men and arousal in women. This movement works because your calf muscles squeeze the veins in your lower legs, pushing blood against gravity. It's like squeezing a sponge. Each contraction wrings out the old, stagnant blood from your lower legs, forcing it back into circulation. Trying to achieve arousal with poor circulation is like trying to inflate a sturdy tire with a leaky, weak pump. By strengthening this second heart, you ensure your body's internal pump is powerful and efficient. Here's all you do. Sitting upright in your chair, with your feet flat on the floor, simply raise your heels as high as you can, pressing through the balls of your feet. Squeeze your calf muscles at the top, as if you're trying to stand on your tiptoes. Hold that powerful squeeze for 2 seconds, actively pumping that blood out of your lower legs. This pause and squeeze is crucial. It's what truly gets the pump working. It's the moment the booster station fully engages to push the fluid up the pipeline. Then, slowly lower your heels back down to the floor. For an even greater effect, let them drop slightly below the level of your feet if you're using a small step or book under your toes. This exercise is your secret weapon against a sedentary day. You can do it almost invisibly while watching TV or reading. Better circulation means more oxygen to every cell, which boosts your overall energy and vitality. For these, aim for 15 to 20 reps per set and work towards 3 full sets. There you have it. 3 chair moves to reclaim your power. We started with the foundation, the sit to stand, to flip your body's master switch for strength and vitality. We then protected our joints with the knee savior, the seated leg extension, to build pain-free stability and restore your confidence in every movement. And we fired up your body's energy by activating your second heart with the circulation booster, the seated calf raise, to enhance blood flow for both stamina and intimate health. This is a system for rebuilding your sexual strength and stamina from the ground up. With every repetition, you are telling your body to be strong, capable, and ready for action. Now, I need your feedback. If you found this video helpful and easy to understand, please type yes in the comments below. Your feedback is crucial for helping me create better content for you. And on that note, I want to hear from you. Your experience helps everyone in this community. Which of these moves are you most excited to start with and why? Drop a comment below and share your journey. Remember, the power to feel strong, energetic, and intimately capable hasn't gone anywhere. It might just be dormant, like a sleeping giant, waiting to be reawakened. Consistency is your greatest ally on this journey. Performing these moves regularly is a direct conversation with your body, telling it that you demand vitality, you demand strength, and you demand a fulfilling life. You have the power to reawaken that potential, starting today, right from your chair. Thanks for joining me. Stay strong.